Do you say, I have few friends, or I have a few friends? The meaning changes completely. First we see rules. Few means almost none, very less. A few means some. The few means all small groups. Now let's see example. Few people know the truth. સત્ય બહુ ઓછા લોકો જાણે છે. A few people helped me. થોડા લોકોએ મને મદદ કરી. The few people I trust are honest. મને જે થોડાક લોકો પર વિશ્વાસ છે તેઓ પ્રામાણિક છે. So guys, simple. Just add a before few to turn negative into positive. Follow for more daily grammar magic.